Guys, we are here tonight at Cowboys in Orlando, Florida. I've got Dean. Dean caught my eye earlier. I spotted him on a video, this 8-wheel drive monster, and I knew when I come out here I had to catch up with Dean. So tell me a little bit about what we've got here, Dean.
Yes, sir, Chris. What we got is a 5-ton truck that I took and stretched the cab, put another cab on it, moved the bed back,
right?
Raised it up 6 inches, stretched the frame 4 foot, put 54-inch tires on it, added another axle in the back, so now we got 8-wheel drive. The name of the truck is Chewbacca.
Chewbacca, I like it.
Well, I think we can pull whatever hooks up to us. That's what we're here for.
I agree, buddy. This is crazy. So,
yes, sir.
How did the idea transpire about adding the cab, adding the extra axle? Where did that come from?
Well, the cab came along because I have a lot of grandbabies who ride in the bed of the truck when we go out in the mud hole and play, and the mamas like to ride in the cab so they ain't got to fight the spiders in the mud.
Right, fair enough.
So we put them in there and let the kids have fun. Everybody just has a comfortable time.
Cool. I really like it. How difficult was that to fab on the extra cab, put in the extra drive line? I mean, that had to be time consuming.
It's all a matter. It's really not difficult if you just play with it. It's heavy stuff. Right. It's slow, but you don't get in a hurry, and it's just big pieces of metal.
Just get all your angles lined up. And
come-alongs on it and move stuff around. Took the bed off of it, and put the cab on it, and then I put the bed back on it, and where it needed to be.
Fair enough.
We just use come-alongs or whatever we need to do.
And it's very clean. You did a very good job restoring this. I'm very impressed. So
it's got a 600-watt stereo in it. It's got air ride seats on it, power steering.
Man, you did plush. You can't beat that.
Yes, sir.
Well, cool. Where are you from? You're not far, right?
We're St. Cloud, Florida, right next to Kissimmee.
Okay, so about an hour from here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good deal.
Go out and play in the mud all the time.
This is your first time to actually come out and do tugs, right?
Yes, sir.
So just kind of line up and see what happens tonight, right?
That's it. We're just going to line up and see what she does.
I'm excited. Well, Dean, I appreciate it this evening, and look forward to seeing how you do.
Thanks, Chris.
Thanks, buddy.
For sure. All right, fellas, let's do it one more time.
We're here in Orlando. Orlando this evening. Trucks on Wild Tugs. And I've got Chris Purcell. Chris,
How you doing?
came a long way, didn't you?
14 hours at 55 mile an hour.
14 hours at 55. That's a long trip. Man,
Yeah.
I'm glad you brought out Ted and the shot this evening. Clowning around customs. You guys have done it real big, I guess, over the last year, right?
We haven't been beat in a year.
Yeah, so you've just basically come out every single time and hurt some feelings with this.
Yeah.
This
So, and Cowboys is where everybody comes to play.
yeah, this is Super Bowl of it all right here. You had to make this one, so
We talked to everybody, like, let's come out here, make it happen.
Well, tell me a little bit about what you got going here, what you can tell. It's no
It's
secrets.
a 2000 Excursion with a bone stock 7.3, 2-wheel drive transmission with a Profab 4-to-1 gear ratio.
Okay.
We got roughly this weight right here is right at 6,000 pounds, 7,000 pounds worth of weight on the front end.
It's a drive line. You got a 6-link setup. Is that 5 tons?
6 legal 5 tons on 44s. For the gear ratio, because we used to run 52s and we could do about 40 on high-end gear.
Right.
With this setup, we could do about 8 mile an hour. So it's just
all gear.
Rips. And,
Right.
the soft compound, it just hooks, and
I hear you.
nothing else works like this does. So
I hear you, man. This is definitely a solid combo. I've seen it in action a few
Oh,
times
yeah.
at Diesel Thunder, and it always seems to do the deal.
and everybody doubts it at first until they see it actually work.
Right. Yeah. The combo
And
works.
we come out here to literally we'll break it. I don't care.
Yeah. Well, hell, there's a lot of stuff here that's cool to hook up to. If nothing else, put on a show in the
We're
process.
gonna try to go to King Crush. We're gonna. I think he'll hooked up to me. So the military truck.
Yep.
I'm about it.
It's the most unique stuff out here. The military, you got a tank, you got boats, there's everything. So if you can find somebody to hook up, then it ought to be a good match tonight.
Yeah, man.
Well, Chris, I enjoyed it, man. I appreciate you coming out, and look forward to seeing what you guys can do on Tug Fest.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, bud.
Here at Cowboys Orlando. Hey, they did say that if they told you, you had to wear their shirt or something like that. So the shirt is on the line.
Hey guys, if you enjoyed that video, be sure to check out our all-new show, Diesel Nation, on Carbon TV. It's nothing but exclusively diesel content. Got driver interviews, product and shop reviews, and all the diesel action you love. Be sure to click the link over here to my left or the video description below on mobile. And remember, let the coal roll.